चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
That's right, Shivangi. Very, very unfortunate news that has come in. In the latest, we've accessed CCTV footage of the attack in Riyasi. Furthermore, note that Lashkar offshoot has taken responsibility for this attack, but the visuals on your screens is a CCTV footage of the attack which happened on the pilgrims when the bus carrying these pilgrims were ambushed by the Lashkar terrorists. This is the CCTV footage, the two CCTV footage that we've accessed. One moments before the attack, and the second just minutes after the dastardly attack on the pilgrims. Let's go across to Gursimran, who's joining us live from that very location where this dastardly attack happened. Gursimran, very, very unfortunate, dastardly for the lack of better words. Nothing could have been more terrible than this. Take us through what can be exactly seen in this CCTV footage that we've accessed when this attack happened on the pilgrims.
Samiksha, there are two CCTV footages that we have accessed. In the first CCTV footage, you will be able to see the bus that was attacked. It has Arun written on it, and that was actually the sign that the terrorists used to identify it. When this bus took the turn from that very place, now I'll request Gaurav to show you the visual so that we can explain it as the camera moves. From that side, the bus was coming. The terrorists were holed up in this area only, the place where I am standing. I'll request Gaurav to come this way. The terrorists were at this very location. So they were taking the advantage of these bushes. They were hiding here. And all of a sudden, when they saw the bus coming, they opened the fire. This was the very first place, because from here, some bullets have been recovered. We will be showing that too exclusively to our viewers. And this is the shattered glass, because when the bus was hit this very place, at this very place, we saw that it was hit. There is a complete, these glasses, front glass that was shattered, and also some of the window panes. These are the connecting materials that have been recovered, because when the bus was hit, it was hit indiscriminately by the terrorists. So some of the equipments that are used to hold the window of the bus, that have also been found. One more thing that has been recovered is the bullets that have been used by the terrorists. So this is what we are showing you. I hope that Gaurav will be in a position to show you that this is the AK-47 bullet that has been recovered from the ground zero by the security forces. This is what 7.62 mm AK-47 rifle bullet, and as per officials, this is a new weapons, this ammunition that has been possibly dropped or taken by the terrorists from across the border. Now I'll request Gaurav if he can zoom in and show you some of the markings. I hope he will be in a position to show you these markings. They have 71 and 78 written on it. This is the factory number and also the caliber that has been written on the on this AK-47 round. Apart from these, few other rounds, 5.62 mm rounds, have also been recovered, though the agencies are trying to get an idea whether it is exactly the 7.62 or similarly a larger one that probably being used for the INSAS rifle. As we move from this very place, you will see that the security forces have put a barricade on that very side, because the bus that was attacked is still there. The agencies are trying to find out what actually has happened. The senior officials of the Jammu and Kashmir police, they too have reached the spot. They are inquiring the locals about what has happened, because a case is also being prepared. An FIR has already been registered by the Jammu and Kashmir police, and the details are being worked upon by the security forces as we move. The senior officials are also arriving to and fro from the spot. What they have to say, this is very going to be very important what they have to say on this incident. But for now, what we can tell, that the group of terrorists that carried out this attack, they have taken the advantage of the dense darkness yesterday evening and have managed to escape.
Well, Gursimran, I'll be coming back to you in just a moment. We are getting some reactions from the police. And of course, PM Modi has also said very clearly that the situation has to be monitored very, very closely. Let's go ahead and play out what the police is saying, and then I'll come back to you to understand what is happening on ground.
इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है कि एक बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट हुआ है और ये इनिशियली जो हमें रिपोर्ट्स आई वो यही है कि मिलिटेंट्स घात लगाए बैठे थे और उन्होंने उस बस के ऊपर फायर किया जो कि शिवखोड़ी से निकली थी और टुवर्ड्स कटरा जा रही थी। उसकी वजह से जो ड्राइवर है उसका बैलेंस जो है वो बिगड़ा और वो नीचे बस जो है वो खाई में चली गई। रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन जो है वो अभी कंप्लीट किया जा चुका है। ये लोकल्स नहीं है, अभी उनकी आइडेंटिटीज जो है वो क्लियर नहीं हो पाई हैं, बट जो अभी इनिशियली पता चला है वो दे मे बी बिलोंग टू यूपी। देखिए, ऑलरेडी हम देखते आए हैं जब भी कोई मिलिटेंसी कोई इंसिडेंट हुआ है तो उसके बाद हम लोग वैसे ही हाई अलर्ट पे हमेशा से रहे हैं। तो आज भी और पिछले कई दिनों से वी वर ऑन हाई अलर्ट और ये सारी जो शिवखोड़ी श्राइन है उसको पूरे तरीके से सिक्योर किया गया था। उसके आसपास के इलाकों में भी बड़े दिन से हम अपनी एरिया डोमिनेशन की एक्टिविटीज़ और बाकी वीडीजीज के साथ हमने उनके साथ फायरिंग प्रैक्टिस भी करी थी और उनको सबको अलर्ट पे ही रखा गया था।